Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm making naan. So first I'm going to make the naan dough. For this I need flour, and for that I added baking soda, baking powder. Here I'm adding some oil and giving it a good mix. Now I'm going to add the yogurt to the mixture. I'm not sure why I added the yogurt just like that without just dumping it in. But add the yogurt and give it a good mix. Then add the milk to combine everything together. Make sure you add the milk little at a time so you can get to the right consistency. Once you add all the ingredients, give it a good mix. Use a spoon to mix as much as you can. Then mix everything together to make a dough. I'm adding a little bit of oil here because I felt the dough is too dry, so it gives a little bit of moisture. Once you form a dough, make it to a bowl and let it rest in the bowl for about 30 minutes. Once the dough is rested, I'm going to take it out from the bowl and I'm going to divide it into 6 sections. So from this quantity you can make about 6 naans. You have the option to make it smaller and make it 8 as well. Once you cut the sections, I'm going to take each dough and make it a ball and set them aside. So when you're ready to make the naan, it's easy for you to take it and roll it out. When you're ready to cook, take each ball and spread it out according to the shape of a naan bread. I'm just taking the dough and using a rolling pin, I'm just spreading it out, and in the meantime I make sure to lift the dough and turn it around so it won't stick to the surface. I'm rolling the dough quite thin because when you cook it, it's going to bubble up and add some volume to it. When you're ready to eat the naan, put a little bit of oil to a hot pan and place the dough inside. Once you place the dough in the pan, it will take about a minute or so for you to see the bubbles on top of the dough. Once you see the bubbles coming up, it's better to flip the dough and then cook the dough on the other side until it bubbles up again. While one naan is cooking in the pan, you can roll the other dough so you have one ready to go when the naan is cooked. As always, I have listed all the ingredients in the description box below the video. So make sure to check that out and also like and comment on this video if you want to see more videos and support my channel. Once you cook the naan and it's ready to serve, you can melt some butter, add some chopped up cilantro leaves to the butter and brush the naan. You can brush them on top, and also if you want to make this naan garlic naan, you have the option to chop up garlic finely and add that to the butter and apply that on top of the naan to make easy garlic naan. Give this recipe a go and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. As you can see, it's very soft and it's very easy to make and you will really enjoy it. Until next time.